Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Gomati and welcome to Gom's Tech Talks channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Chat PDF, a new tool that allows you to chat with any PDF file. So Chat PDF is a great tool for anyone who needs to read and understand PDF files. It can be used by students, professionals, and anyone else who needs to quickly and easily extract information from PDF files. Chat PDF works by analyzing the PDF file to create a semantic index. This index is then used to present the relevant paragraphs to a text generation AI. The AI can generate a chat conversion that answers your question about the PDF file. So let us first look at the chat PDF file. So here you can see this is you have to drop the PDF file here. So here you have like they have mentioned what are the advantages of using chat PDF. This is for the student and this is for the workers and this is for the others who wanted to ask some questions to the chat PDF. So let us first look into the pricing. So this is free actually for 120 pages PDF. Okay, and 10 MB if your PDF is under 10 MB then it is fine. So you can analyze 3 PDF per day and you can ask 15 questions per day if it is a free version. If it is a free, and if you want to go with the paid one, that is only $5 per month, you can ask 2000, you can upload 2000 pages of PDF, 32 MB of data, 50 PDF per day and 1000 questions a day. We are just going to work with a free PDF free version. So once if I click browse the computer, so it will just go to the it will ask to locate your file. So I'm going to locate this file. So let me show that file, what that file is all about. So this is the file. This is a unit 4, that is a software development methodologies tool. I have extracted from IGNOU. I have downloaded from IGNOU. It's a free, you can even download it. So this is a unit. Okay, this will be useful for the students as well as the teachers. So if you wanted to explain this particular chapter to the students, you can just upload this to the chat PDF and you can get the data. Or even if you wanted to get the MCQ questions and answers from this particular chapter, okay, or whatever you wanted to interact with this, you can do this. Okay, so here I am going to ask this chat PDF. Okay, so here it by default based on our PDF which we have exported, so it is imported. It is showing that these are all the sample questions which we can ask. So what are some structured methodologies for software development? How do you choose the right methodology for the software project? What are the difference between 4th and 5th generation software developing tools? So if you wanted to ask such questions, you can even ask it. But for me, I just wanted to ask the questions like okay, I wanted to create a MCQ questions which are related to graphical user interface. So I'm just telling this to create MCQ questions with answer. So it is creating an MCQ question. You can see what is the following which of the following is the feature of 4GL. Okay, so it is creating and also it is telling you from where it took the exact question. Okay, it uses normal human language statement to retrieve information from database and it is from page 2. So it is clearly explaining like what is from where it took the data and what is the question. Can you create 5 more questions which are based on Bloom's taxonomy of level 5 and level 6? So I just asked the question like I need a 5 more question. So level 5 is evaluate. Exactly, it easily understood that level 5 is evaluate. So evaluate the scope of the level of detail of software development methodology. What factors should be considered when deciding and adapting? So see here, it has created an excellent question here, and level 6 is to create. Okay, so it is creating the question. So this will be useful. Why this is useful for the students? In the sense, you can guess what type of question that can be asked for your exams and you can prepare accordingly. Okay, that is the first one. For the teachers, like I can understand that like creating the question which are based on level 3, level 4, level 5 and level 6 will be little difficult, because even for your cycle test or a monthly test you have to create a question like that. So in order to create a question within one single chapter, it will be excellent option to use this PDF, that is chat PDF, that it can easily get you the create you the questions for that. Okay, so let me reframe the question. Okay, can you summarize the what is the topic? Implementing a methodology. Tell me what are the possible ways I can um, uh, give some interactive games to the students based on this topic. Okay, let us wait. Okay, it is going to create the section implementation methodology, discuss the steps involved in the implementing of the software technology, what are the main and important idea behind it. Okay, and regarding interactive games for the student based on the topic, one possible idea could be to create simulation game where students act as a project managers and have to implement a software development methodology for a financial organization. So it has given you the what it has clearly told you, like this type of games you can ask the students to write it. So it's a great option, right? Any questions, like whatever, if you are in free pricing, okay, you can ask 50 questions per day, and also you can upload 120 pages of PDF. So be sure that what question you are going to ask, that is a 50 questions. First you just understand the 50 questions, what are the questions you are planning to ask, and get the data. Okay, that is the first one. And not only this PDF, you can even upload your literature review. Okay, so now I'm going to upload another PDF here. Okay, new PDF. I'm going to upload a paper, that is an academic academic research paper. So it is trying to analyze the research paper and it is going to show up it. So this particular academic research paper is related to classification, that is applying data mining techniques to the breast cancer. Okay, so on the first message from the chat PDF itself, you can understand that these are the sample questions which you can ask. What is the data mining and how it is used to classify the breast cancer? What are some leading health organizations that have published information on breast cancer? Can regular investigation and precautions help to prevent breast cancer? Apart from this, if you want to ask any questions to this particular PDF, for example, what is the research gap? So I'm just asking what is a research gap. I'm sorry, but the given pages of the PDF do not provide any information on the research gap. Okay, so in that particular paper, they haven't discussed anything about the research gap. Okay, so let us go with what are the algorithms which are discussed in this, which are discussed. Okay, so you don't want to be very specific about what. The PDF file discusses 6 different algorithms that were used to classify breast cancer. These algorithms are compared according to their performance in Weka and MATLAB. So they have used Weka and MATLAB tool. The 6 algorithms are not specified by name, but they are selected from the following families of algorithm: Bayes, neural networks, lazy classifier, meta, rules, trees. Additionally, the SVM are not presented because it did not produce good results among the compared neural networks. So great. Okay, so which tool is efficient? So here they have mentioned that they have used nearly 2 tools, right? So here you can see that efficient, which tool is efficient, Weka or MATLAB. Okay, so let us, the given pages did not provide the direct comparison between Weka and MATLAB. However, the PDF does mention the 6 algorithms. Okay, so they haven't, whatever is there in the PDF, if you wanted to ask any questions from that PDF, okay, if that question which you are asking is there, it will definitely give you the answer. So this is what exactly will happen. Okay, so I hope you find this video useful. So the key takeaways of this video is what chat pdf is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of tasks. Like students can use ChatGPT to quickly and easily understand their textbooks. Professionals can use chat pdf to research information from presentations or reports. Anyone can use chat pdf to understand legal contracts or other complex documents. Chat PDF is a free tool that is available to everyone based on the pricing. So even 120 pages is great deal, right? And even if you wanted to, if you wanted to get the premium access, even it's only $5. So you can easily go ahead with that. Once the file has been uploaded, you can start chatting with it, whatever is there in the pdf. So based on that, whatever the question, how complex or how indirectly or directly you're asking the question, it will give you the answer. So chat pdf is a powerful and easy to use tool that can help you quickly and easily understand pdf files. If you need to read and understand pdf files, I highly recommend giving chat pdf a try. So the additional functionalities of chat pdf is what you can only interact with a pdf file, generate a chat conversations that answers your questions about pdf file, analyze the pdf file to create a semantic index, present the relevant paragraphs to your text generation ai. And this will be benefited for students, professionals, and anyone who wanted to interact with a pdf. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any queries um, regarding this particular tool, or if you wanted to explore any other particular tool, please let me know. I will definitely help you out. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.